Good morning, children. I hope you have completed chapter 10. Now, going to start chapter 11, that is algebraic expressions. First of all, you understand what is constant and variable. Constant which has a fixed value is called a constant. A symbol which has a fixed value is called a constant. Okay. And variable is a symbol which does not have a fixed value but may be assigned a value according to the requirement. That is called variable. Any literal x, y, z, anything we can write. Suppose I have written x plus 5. Okay, so x is a literal. This is called a variable and this is called constant term. Constant term, as I already told you, that is a fixed value. It has fixed value. It will not going to change further. 5 will be 5 only. But x is a literal. X, y, z, a, b, c, d, whatever you can take, no problem. It is a variable. Why? Because it does not have any fixed value. Suppose if I will take x value equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 dot 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 infinity, so the value will be changed. So that's why it is called a variable. Got it? When the constant and variable terms together with the fundamental operation plus, minus, subtract, multiply, divide, whatever, then it will form an expression. That is called algebraic expression. Now, a single term or a combination of two or more terms, plus or minus, forms an algebraic expression. You can make many algebraic expressions like this: 5 minus y, 3x square minus 5x, 6xy plus z. Like this, we can make many algebraic expressions. Got it? Now it is clear to you. Now, here something monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial given. What is this? Means types of algebraic expression. Types. First is monomial. Second is binomial. Third is trinomial. And fourth is called polynomial, or you can say multinomial, or you can say quadrinomial. Okay, polynomial or multinomial. Okay, so what is mono, children? Mono means contain only one term, means 3 or x or 2x, like that. But what is binomial? Containing two term, 2x plus 3, two term only, 1, 2. Trinomial, 2x plus y plus 1, containing 3 terms. Polynomials means more than 3 terms. That is polynomial. Can write any algebraic expression: x square, 5x plus 2y plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see this is a multinomial, or you can say polynomial. Okay, an algebraic expression of the form does not form a polynomial. Which polynomial does not form a polynomial? If the degree is negative. Okay, if the degree is negative. Suppose I have written like this: 3x minus y divided by 8ax. So you can see this is not a polynomial, children. This type of expression of the form does not form a polynomial, remember. Okay, now degree of a polynomial, when the polynomial contains only one variable, but you have to find the degree. I have written here 4x minus 7x to the power 5 plus 8. What is the degree? Easily you can see this degree is only 1. Nothing means 1. Okay, but this is a constant term. So constant term, we will see only variable degree, only variable power. So 5. So degree of the polynomial will be 5, because it has the highest power is 5. So that is the degree of the polynomial. But when the polynomial contains two or more variable, एक से अधिक वेरिएबल होगा तो क्या करोगे? But make sure children, algebraic expression is a polynomial if degree of each term used in it is a non negative integer. कोई भी डिग्री होगा तो नॉन नेगेटिव होना चाहिए. नेगेटिव वाला जो होता है वो पॉलिनोमियल नहीं होता है. ओके, और जो पॉलिनोमियल नहीं होगा तो उसका फिर डिग्री नहीं निकाल पाते हम लोग. तो मेक श्योर द डिग्री शुड बी नॉन नेगेटिव. नेगेटिव डिग्री होगा मतलब दैट इज़ नॉट अ पॉलिनोमियल. दिस you will remember. Now you have to find the degree of the polynomial when two or more variable. I am giving you one example how you will find out. 7x cube y4 8x square y3 z 4 plus 5x4 y3 z. Now you have to find the degree of the polynomial. In this you can easily find out the highest power 5, that is the degree. But more than one variable xy, yz, xyz, then you in this type of statement you have to add the power. 3 plus 4 x plus y, 3 plus 4 that is 7. In this you add 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, here 4 plus 3 7. So which is the highest power children? X y z, this second term. So the degree of the polynomial is 9. In this manner you have to find the degree of the polynomial. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, now you can say this is a polynomial or not. 5x plus 7 upon x, this expression is a polynomial. Can you say? No. Why? This is not a polynomial. Why? Because you can write like this, 5x plus this will go 7x to the power minus 1. This power 1 will go in numerator. You know the process in exponent chapter. It will give negative sign. So power will be never be negative. As already I have explained, it should be non-negative integer. So this is not a polynomial. Okay. Now product, factor and coefficient. Product means when two or more number, suppose 3a b c. This product 3 separate, a separate, b separate, c. When you will do multiply, it will be 1 only. So 3abc is the product of 3abc. Clear? Factor means 3 is the factor of abc, or 3a is the factor of bc. So each of the quantities, constant or variable or both, which forms a product, is called the factor of the product. Okay. Now what is coefficient? Coefficient means any factor of an algebraic quantity is called the coefficient of the remaining quantity. If I will ask 3abc, if I will ask to write the coefficient of a, then remaining term is the coefficient of a. 3bc is the coefficient of a. Okay, this is the factor. So if I will ask what is the coefficient of b, so b coefficient, rest number is the coefficient, means 3c. If I will ask coefficient of abc का coefficient क्या होगा? So 3. So coefficient means any factor of an algebraic quantity is called the any factor of the algebraic quantity. That is the coefficient. I hope it is clear. Like and unlike terms, same variable with same degree, that is like term. Which is not same, that is unlike term. See here, 5xyz, 2xyz, okay, 3xyz. So same degree, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Whatever the number, you ignore the number. Number no matter, but variable should be same and degree should be same. Then it is called like term. Okay. If it is like that, 5xz, then plus 2y square z plus 3x square yz. then you can say that here is also yz, 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 xz, but degree is not same, children. So degree should be also same. So this is unlike. I hope it is clear. So exercise 11 is solve yourself. Any doubt you ask later. Okay, separate the constant and variable. Which is constant, which is variable, you separate it. Write the number of terms in each of the following polynomials. You have to write the terms. पॉलिनोमियल है या बाइनोमियल है या ट्राइनोमियल है, क्या है, यू हैव टू फाइंड योर सेल्फ. ओके, एनी डाउट यू आस्क. फर्स्ट यू यूज योर ब्रेन, देन आई विल सॉल्व. ओके.